Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Chase for credit card fraud protection step by step clearly. Start by visiting the official Chase website in your preferred web browser. Once on the home page, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button to open the login page. If you already have an account, enter your username and password. If you do not have a Chase account, click on the Not Enrolled? Sign Up Now link. Follow the prompts to create a new account by entering your personal information. Once your account is created, log in using your new credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Account Services tab in the main menu. Locate the Fraud Protection section within the Account Services drop-down. Click on Enroll or Register for fraud alerts. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a security code sent to your registered phone or email. Enter the verification code in the provided field to proceed. Next, review the terms and conditions for the fraud protection services. If you agree to the terms, click on the Accept or Enroll button. Select your preferred notification methods for fraud alerts, such as text messages or email. Confirm your contact information is accurate and up to date. Once all selections are made, click Submit to finalize your enrollment. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that you are now registered for credit card fraud protection. Keep an eye on your email or phone for any updates regarding your fraud alert settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.